Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this a new video on this channel. And in this video I'll be telling you why Adobe bought Figma. This is just going to be a brief video. It's not going to be much. I'll just give you the info about. I tell you everything I know because I've done nice research on this. Now this is a video of telling you this is strictly private information. So don't tell anybody, but try your best to share this video. Yeah. Try your best to share this video to your friends, your family members, your brothers, your sisters, your design and even your co-workers, your team, programmers. They don't even have to be designers before you share it to them. Just share the video and make this video go viral because this stuff I want to say is very important. This is why Adobe bought Figma. Now, you know, from 1992, in those days, Figma, like when Figma, they sent me a mail, they personally sent me a mail, and Figma was apologizing. They told us the reason why they sold their company. They appreciated it. So now this is why Figma, that's why Adobe XD bought Figma. Guy, I don't know, I'm just joking. Nobody knows. Yeah, nobody knows, but I wish it all turns out well. Will it be Figma XD now? I don't know. Let's wait for that. Let's wait for the future. Have patience. Yeah, all of us are waiting for the news. I'm sorry for you. Thanks for watching. Peace.